You know what it is, boys and girls, girls and boys. It's another episode of Cooking with Petey. Today we're at the buffet in the Excalibur Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. Awesome buffet. Big respect to the staff and chefs that kept up with us. It was a full house, and I had to start recording after my second plate because I was hungry. Wow, they had so much to choose from. All my favorite food stations were there. They had Latin, American, Asian, Italian, the salad bar. The meat section was crazy. Succulent turkey, beef, and sausage. Lots to choose from.
Can I get a sausage? Thank you.
Yes, turkey, beef, and sausage.
Big salute goes out to the macaroni and cheese. This American cheddar, I couldn't get enough of it. Truly a taste I can't forget. Been craving ever since I left. My second plate when I started recording. Dessert time! Fresh crepes, anyone? Lots to choose from over here. From puddings to pies to cakes to ice creams. You name it, they had it. This is one dessert island I'd love to be stranded on any day. For the dinner portion of the buffet, I would have to say the turkey and the macaroni and cheese is a must try. But dessert, the mud pie all the way. 4 levels of goodness. Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and a nice crispy crust. Anybody got the recipe, hit me up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and like so you can get notified when the next video comes out. Lots more coming ahead. Stay tuned.